ako diaryo. You cannot bite me. Guys, what's this? It's a push from the shower. I want a new dress. Look. I give to the guys to wash my dress.
Lesson day, this is the last and fun body call. I repeat, this is the last and fun body call for flight ED3 to Bangkok, flight 2040 All the remaining passengers are last and requested to board this aircraft from gate
I need a new dress.
Thank you. समझो हमारी ये आखिरी बार ऐलान किया जाता है हाईवे की तरफ CDT 4 और कराची से बैंकॉक रवानगी के लिए तैयार है बस आप लोग गेट नंबर 25 से जल्द जहाज को तशरीफ ले जाएं शुक्रिया वो मुसाफिर जहाज जो हाईवे की प्रवास CDT 4 और कराची से बैंकॉक
Guys, real look. I need a new dress. What do you need? Look, my one is just full of sauce. Look, I have big hood. Look. This one is becoming more big if it doesn't change. Okay, bye guys. Love you. Hello everyone. Welcome to Karachi, Pakistan. Guys, this is my hotel, Excelsior Hotel. So this is located in exactly in the middle of Karachi, in the city. This is a very nice place. You have everything around. So if you wanna make a reservation, you can make. Nice service, very clean, nice stuff. You can find nice restaurant inside, great food, everything together. So let's have a walk together inside of the hotel. And I feel weak.
You feel weak? Even I feel weak.
Guys, I feel so weak, guys. Sometimes I don't have energy. I try my best to make nice videos, but my energy
You are
is
making
going.
very nice videos. You see, Karachi people are happy. They're very happy.
Hopefully, I made everyone happy with my videos.
And me and my CC, we got sick a little bit. That we will be fine, and
Yes.
we'll make more videos, and we'll have more fun.
Yes.
And you'll see us together as well.
Tomorrow, new videos.
Yes, tomorrow new videos.
Kiss you.
Love you, CC.
Love you, Sisi.
See you guys.
My tummy.
Guys, I'm going to give her medicines. Okay, bye. Bye.